Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today, we're diving into the world of AI, artificial intelligence, and how you can use it to create awesome videos for your YouTube channel, even if you're new to all this tech stuff. We'll talk about the tools you need and how to use them in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is AI and why use it? AI is like having a smart helper on your computer. It can help you make videos faster and better. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. Chapter 2. Essential AI tools for video creation. Video editing software with AI. Get a video editing tool like Adobe Premiere Pro or iMovie. They use AI to make your videos look great. Voiceover AI. Tools like Google's text-to-speech or Amazon Polly can give your videos a professional voice without needing to record it yourself. AI transcription. Tools like Otter.ai can turn your spoken words into text for subtitles. Image recognition AI. Use tools like Google Vision AI to help find the right images or clips for your video. Chapter 3. How to use AI tools for YouTube videos. Step 1. Install the software. Download and install the video editing software you've chosen. Step 2. Import your footage. Import your video clips and images into the software. Step 3. Editing with AI. Many software tools have AI features like auto color correction or smart cut suggestions. Use them to make your video look awesome. Step 4. Voiceover with AI. If you need a voiceover, type your script into the text-to-speech tool, choose a voice, and let AI do the talking. Step 5. Transcribing with AI. If you want subtitles, upload your video to an AI transcription tool, and it'll turn your words into text. Step 6. Image search with AI. Use image recognition AI to find the perfect visuals for your video by describing what you need. Chapter 4. Tips for great AI-enhanced videos. Keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. AI is here to make your life easier, not harder. Practice. Like anything, you'll get better with time. Try different AI tools and see what works best for you. Engage with your audience. Use AI to help you make engaging content, but always connect with your viewers personally. Conclusion. So there you have it. Creating YouTube videos with AI isn't as tricky as it sounds. With the right tools and a bit of practice, you can make your channel stand out. Remember, the most important thing is your creativity and your connection with your audience. Happy video making. Happy video.